Yo, what is going on YouTube? This is Josh over here, American AF Dumpster Rentals in Dallas. What's up? Happy Monday. I love Mondays. I really do. It's time to get back to work. It's time to get back and make some money. At the end of the day, it's enough for the weekend where you spend all your money. So anyways, we are actually headed to the Waxahachie house. I know I've talked about it before in a previous video, and then we ended up not having enough time to stop by. But we got to stop by, check the progress of the roof. I think the roof is already done, and then we've got very minor little details that need to be done this week, hopefully. I'm still waiting on the gas company. The gas company is killing me. They can take up to 30 days to connect the gas to the house because there's a missing riser apparently that they need to install, and that's like a third-party company that they use for this riser. So still waiting on that, but as soon as that's done, we're gonna go ahead and mark it and list it. So I think we're really close to actually probably, regardless of whether the gas is turned on or not, I think we're gonna go ahead and probably list it by the end of the week and have it on the market ready to roll. So kind of excited for that. I am ready to be done with that house. I still have the Corsicana house. The operating costs are very minimal other than the cost to heat it and keep the pool going. So our electricity bill is kind of high. Pay a pool company to come out every week. Really want to get rid of that house, but we're having a hard time. We're struggling. We knew it was going to be a hard sale because of it being one of the most expensive houses in the city. You never want to have the most expensive house and you don't want the cheapest house. You want one in between. But we put a lot of money into that house, so it needs to sell for what we need it to sell for. Otherwise, I don't know. We might just list it. I don't know. Lease it, I mean. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. But we're a couple minutes away from the Waxahachie house, and then we've got some work to do. Look at that. Brand new roof. New paint job. New everything except for windows. I hate replacing windows. Grass is starting to come in. So, for those of you guys new to the channel, we usually will have at least one property at a given time where we're doing repairs, flips, stuff like that. This one is taking a little bit longer. They all usually take a little bit longer than expected. But this one took longer because of city delays with permitting and stuff. So we'll show you how it was before. Nice. Well, electricity obviously works. This one's ready to go except for the gas. So we gotta throw this stuff away. This is from all the appliances. Washer and dryer room. So this one has all new everything. Basically, we did the foundation, all new electrical. The city required all the electrical to be updated, including the box. This used to be an old conversion that was a garage with a slanted floor. We leveled it all out. We brought in concrete through the window, leveled out the floor, put in all new flooring, all new plumbing. And when I say all new plumbing, I mean literally the city required all new plumbing, but the house also needed it because everything was just broken, brittle, and even the drain pipe under the house had collapsed. So that was an unexpected expense, a big unexpected expense. The tunneling under the house to redo the drain pipe was just something else. Kitchen looks really good. We've got some vents that we got to put in, but we got quartz countertops. We got to do some caulking here. Maybe a little backsplash, but quartz countertops, new appliances, so homeowner can bring in their own refrigerator, but we provided the dishwasher, the stove, the microwave. Looks really good. Nice cabinets. These are soft close cabinets, so you can't be like really pissed off and just slam that on your wife and make a point. Like I said, the vents need to come in. This was a little bit of a hole. This was a leak from the roof, which obviously was a red flag to us to go ahead and replace the roof. I mean, that's the only thing between that and the windows. That's the only thing that we needed to replace. So we've got some blinds we still got to put up. New water heater. 3 bedroom, 1 bath, 2 living spaces. Not too shabby, huh? Kitchen came out super nice. I really like the kitchen.
Look at this dude.
One final inspection. Cut the faucet slowly dripping, because the last thing we need is a blown water pipe. This was part of the plumbing that we had to do. So this always was an old laundry room, and all the water and everything ran outside with like hoses and PVC pipes and stuff like that. So we had to run it underground, and then we used to drain the washer water. You would just drain in the backyard, so we had to tie it into the actual drain. Put a nice little door here for storage, little outdoor, little mini shed storage. Pretty nice.
Yeah.
Roof does look good. And then in there is one of those attic vents that the roofer still got to come out and put on. But literally, it's got a new, I mean, everything, like I said, everything is brand spanking new. So it's got a new gas line from the side of the house, all underground, all the way to the gas meter over there. They got all the little yellow flags over there. I don't know if that's an alley. That's kind of meant to be an alley at some point. It's definitely a nice starter home for somebody, or a small family home. 3-bedroom, 1 bath. Went back and forth as to adding a second bathroom, but for the cost, I didn't see the return. Cool. Well, this is the completed Waxahachie house. So you guys will see, hopefully in this video, the before and the after. I kind of go with a general theme when I do these houses. You know, the more modern gray flat tones, but makes it look really bright, clean, real simple, but a good touch. So let's get out of here. I believe this one will be a quick sale, but you never know. Now we need a little bit of landscaping and we're good to go. All right, so we are obviously in the Kenworth today. Got it back. I actually drove over to Keystone yesterday on Sunday. Brought it back, so I had it for obviously Monday morning. Found out what the issue was. So it's a stellar issue, apparently. It's a stellar issue where I guess the hook lift, with the way it's built, the hook goes up and down and is on the hydraulic lever here. And the box that controls or has the track for that hook to go up and down is what was smashed. And found out the culprit of that is the cans. So combo cans, they're not made apparently for combo cans, I guess. And it specifically was combo cans with 6-inch wheels in the front. So if the wheels in the front are 6 inches, what it's doing is when I bring the dumpster down, the wheel crushes the box and basically did all that damage. The only dumpster that I have that has a 6-inch wheel is the 40-yard. All my Keystones are built with 4-inch wheels in the front, but the 40-yard that I refurbished that is out on a job right now apparently has the 6-inch wheels in the front, because I'm pretty sure that's the one that damaged the box there, the track. So that is the issue. If any of you guys have the NXT 52 or are considering purchasing it, that might sway your decision one way or another, depending on if you have combo cans, and if you have combo cans that have the 6-inch rollers in the front. I personally think that a lot of guys that are running hook lifts, especially nowadays, are running combo cans. So how we're gonna fix that, I don't know. Keystone was able to cap the lines for me, take that part off, and just eliminate the option currently to go from 54-inch to 62-inch. I don't have any 62-inch hook height cans, and so because of that, I just said, well, let's get rid of it until hopefully seller comes up with a better idea or a better design that that won't get damaged. So I dropped it off on Thursday. They pulled it in on Friday, and by Friday evening or Friday afternoon, Graham called me, said it was ready to be picked up and put back into work, and to bring it back when we hear back from Stellar. So that's what we did. Rather the truck not be down, because we've got plenty of work for it. So that's where we're at. I'll keep you guys posted on any updates or changes that Stellar hopefully will make to their design to fix that issue.
bringing?
We can bring two. We're swapping them out. Yeah.
Are you about to drop that other one off, or just?
I'm dropping the empty one off, and I'm picking the full one. And then there'll be another truck coming swap out the 30s.
Okay. Can you drop this one in the back? We already got all the metal in the back out there.
Okay.
Can you go around back? And
yeah, sure. Yeah. That's a little over the top. Ah, yeah. Es muy bueno. Very good idea.
Very good. Very good.
I appreciate it, man. Well, let us know. I could dump this one. I know. Well, I got my other guy coming to do the other one, the 30 yard.
You be able to squeeze one more for us?
But I could dump this one and bring this one right back.
Okay.
You want me to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Y'all got a lot of work in there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got a lot of shit in there.
Yeah. What are they doing to it? I mean, obviously,
Dollar Tree.
a Dollar Tree. How long is the project?
About 6 weeks.
Okay, that's not bad. Y'all quick then. No one offered me no donuts. And they put them on your desk. Yep. Torture. You want one, don't you? Alexis said she's at the office crying now. Hey, we're in neutral. His revenue. I guess, but to move them off. Hell yeah.
We didn't know it was being recorded.
I've been really thinking about starting doing porta potties, bro. Yeah, I've been really thinking about it lately. Yeah, bud. Right. Yeah, they fucked it up. I can move the pin and I'll be able to. Yeah, I should be able to. Yeah, I'll be fine. I'll be alright. So since I'm not using that hook, yeah. Yeah, usually that tap will goodness gracious. Those guys are all sitting in their trucks because it was still lunchtime. All right, so we are back at the shop. We got these interstate batteries delivered today. This rack and 11 batteries. These interstate deep cycle marine batteries. These are the ones that the Max XD or the Max D uses. So, and some of the other trailers as well. So I figured, why not keep them in stock here? They have a 1-year replacement. Really good batteries. So at the end of the day, I figured let's be a distributor for them and carry them in stock, especially if we're going to start later on down the road doing trailer repairs and maintenance. It'd be kind of cool to have them in stock on consignment. So we are done for the day. I've got one more that I was kind of debating on whether or not to go dump, but we'll leave it on the truck. We'll go dump it tomorrow. Hopefully that'll be the first, probably that'll be the first thing that we got to do. And I've got a lot of computer work to do and some quotes to do for some hook lift trailers. So, which are literally flying off the shelves. Like literally I've got a ton of hook lift trailer sales going on right now and some other ones. So if you're in the market for a Keystone trailer, cable pull trailer, or a hook lift trailer, don't forget, give me a call or shoot me a message down below, AmericanAFtrailers@gmail.com, and we will make sure to get you a quote for a trailer. Don't forget, guys, to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. If I have provided any kind of value to you at all, please hit that share button and share these videos to your social media. We're really trying to grow the channel this year, so I would appreciate any and all of your support. So again, don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. We out.